Hey everyone, Rob from Overland Gear Guy. I've had more requests for this bag than any other product that we've came out with. Flat pocket through the whole thing, put manuals and flat stuff there. Each end has a slip pocket there, the larger zippered pocket to put the bigger crescent wrenches. You got all these tool pouches in here. You can get those in multiple colors. You can get name tags on there if you want. See, a couple of these have them. They're in there with Velcro. You can move these over here a little bit. Leaves plenty of room down the side for the really big tools and stuff. The bottom of it, it's a hard plastic in there. If you got a lot of weight in there, it's just not gonna bow down. We're gonna sell this both with the bag by itself. These will be by themselves, or you can buy it as a kit and with the name tags of your choice. If you don't like any of these name tags, put in comments the tags that you want. Lifetime warranty. Don't be afraid to call up, ask for custom items. Maybe you wanted this pocket here on this side as well. We can certainly do that. Appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button. Follow us on all the social media platforms.